Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another best video. In today's video, just want to talk about Tectonic token, and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and what should we buy this one project or not. So I just want to explain each and every detail about this one project. But first of all, if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started regarding Tectonic. Basically, Tectonic, what is Tectonic? I'm already reviewed this one project many times, and if you look to this one project, this is basically powered by CRO exchange. And basically, if you look to this one project is completely follow the main downtrend line. If you read on the main trending wave, the downtrend line, so we can see this one project is still going down and down day by day. So here we can see some important tell this one project is there is any potential or remaining this one project, or this project will be not getting any spike in any time. So right here I just want to explain every and all detail about this one project. First of all, I'm just clicking on the main 1 month time frame, because if you open the 1 month time frame, we can see more accuracy in the chart. But here we can see still a downtrend in this one project. So I'm directly open a 3 month time frame, because we must be look for the main correction of this one project. So right here, if you look to this one project is still broke the main support right over here. I'm already mentioned this one support in the previous video. You must be looking to this one support. If this project broke this one support, so we can expect that to this one project will be must down day by day. You can see right here, if you look to a 1 year time frame, so we can see a simply straight line on this one project. There is no more any volatility showing this one project, and there is no more any support for this one project. Just you simply wait for the main spike. If any time they launch any type of making any type of event, so in that time we can see a huge spike in this one project. Otherwise it is not possible to get a huge spike, because there is no any support for this one project. This one project is still going dump and dump day by day. That's why I'm not recommended right now to buy this one project, because anytime they are more become down because of there no any supports. And if there's any upcoming event, so you be with me and I'll be uploaded a video about that, and you simply see the some important spike in this one project. But right over here, if you look to this one project, if you look to from here, so from here they are getting a huge spike. It is almost up to 30-40%, but right now I'm not expecting that to get almost up to 30-40% spike. But if you want to do, and if you have a holding power, so you simply buy this one project and hold for some time. Because if you look to the main all-time low is of 3 days ago, which is almost 4.56%. So means that they are created the all-time low day by day. There's no any all-time low for this one, but they are trending on the main all-time low. So I'm not expected that to this project will be getting a huge spike. And if you look to the all-time high is a 9 month ago, which is almost 97.51%. so means that if you wanted to buy this one project right now, and if you wait for almost 1 year or 2 years, so you will be get almost up to 97.51% easily from this one project profit. But you must know the about and check the important detail about the main white paper, and as well as from the roadmap. And also you must keep eyes on the main Twitter official account of the Tectonic project. Like I'm directly going to visit to the main Tectonic official website. So right here you can see the team is also too much active, and you can see Tectonic now supports Cognos identity, replaces the numerical wallet address with your custom ID after connecting your wallet. So there's also too much important update for this one project. If this project is come to the Asian countries, so in that time we can expect that to this will be getting a huge spike, because this project have too much spike. But there's no any allowance for the Asian countries. This is just only for UK countries. So you must keep eyes on this event. If they are give permission to log in and create your wallet on your custom ID, so we can expect that this project will be getting a huge spike. And if we look to the community is also increased day by day of this one project. So I am recommended to buy this one project because but you must have a holding power. If you don't have a holding power, so we can't expect that to give this project profit in some time. But if you want to buy this one project, I heard they also tweet almost up to September 29, and you can see analytics dashboard is now accessible on our platform. Go to analytics page and check out some data insight. So you can see if you look to the main Tectonic wallet, and the analytics are show this is some important update, but this update didn't affect on any pump and dump. You simply focus on the huge and the main events, because in the event time they burn the main circulating supply, and that time you can see a huge spike because of they are decreasing the circulating supply. And if we look to the any project, if you are a crypto holder, you must know about that. If any project are burn the main circulating supply, so in decreasing in circulating supply, we can see a huge spike in that project. So this is some important detail about this one project, and right now we can't expect any pump from this one project. But if you want to invest in this one project, you simply invest in this one project, and after that you simply into the main app of the Tectonic token. If you enter to that, and after that you simply connect your wallet with your MetaMask, and it is too much important to connect your wallet with MetaMask. And if you want to transfer Ethereum from any exchange to this one wallet, you must have select ERC20 token network. If you select others token, so you will be not able to take it in this one project. But right now I'm just going to scroll down, and if you look to the Tectonic almost give you up to 14.17% in this is basically APY for this one project. So I'm recommended to buy this one project and just to hold this one project. But right now if you wanted to go get more important detail about this one project, more important news about this one project, you must be subscribe my channel, because I have never missed any type of data about the Tectonic token. And right now you can see if you buy, and after that you simply stake this one token. And if you want to get a complete detailed video, I'll place the link in the description box. So this is some important detail about this one project, and I hope you like it. If you like it, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any video from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.